Born blind and deaf, baby Nisha Motita also has multiple congenital defects. She is in dire need of medical tests to determine the extent of her congenital ailments.
For more than 2 months now, baby Nisha Motita lay helpless in this hospital crib, attached to a tube that aids her breathing. Baby Nisha was born with multiple congenital defects.
May bingot, maliit yung ulo, meron siyang katarata, may abnormal connection yung daanan ng hangin niya, tsaka yung daanan ng pagkain.
With their only child's condition, Riza, baby Nisha's mother, could not help but think of how her baby would live.
Kahit sino naman po magulang masasaktan na makita ang ganun yung itsura ng anak niya. Pero nagpapasalamat pa rin po kami sa Diyos kasi kahit pa paano gusto niya mag-survive.
Baby Nisha will need a series of treatments. For now, her doctors are concentrating on how to help the baby breathe on her own.
Ang plan namin is malagyan siya ng tracheostomy o yung tubo sa dito sa may lalamunan para doon na siya hihinga, hindi na siya forever na nakatubo.
With their child's life hanging by a thread, Riza and her husband struggle to provide for baby Nisha's needed operation.
Pinipilit pa rin po namin na sana kayanin niya po kung hanggang 10 yung kaya namin, gagawin po namin.